What's going on, everybody? This is Phil from Millennial Money Gains, and we are back with another video. In this video, we are going to be going over a stock called CPNG. Ticker symbol is CPNG. Now, this stock just recently IPO'd, and it's kind of cooled down a bit. I do not like covering IPOs as soon as they first launch, just because I think there's a lot of hype around them, and I would like to wait for the hype to settle down a bit. But with that being said, we will be hopping right into this video. If you are looking forward to it, make sure you smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. I really do appreciate that. Also, consider subscribing to the channel, as we do post here every Monday and Wednesday at 9 a.m. Eastern. Sometimes I'll switch it up a bit and post a few more videos each week. Every time one of our plays gets some news, I will be posting a video, so make sure you continue hitting that subscribe button so you can follow along. But now, let's hop right into the video. If you guys didn't know, I do like these e-commerce plays. We made some money off of Jumia, which is the African Amazon, and now we are moving into CPNG, which is the South Korean Amazon, which has been taking all of Asia by storm. They are one of the biggest e-commerce players in Asia, and I'm going to tell you exactly what this company is about, whether I think they are a buy right now at their current price. They're currently trading for around $45 or so. And I do think right now I will be waiting till this stock gets below 40. If it gets to around $40 or even below $40, I will start a long-term position. I do see this as a long-term play. Their market cap right now is close to $80 billion, which is a pretty big market cap for a company that just IPO'd. But they have the financials to back it up. And they definitely have the opportunity to surpass that market cap, maybe even double or triple that in the future. But let's get right into what this company does. So, CPNG is a South Korean e-commerce store, kind of like Amazon, like we have here in the US. Now, they are one of the biggest players in all of Asia, not just South Korea, all of Asia. They're one of the biggest e-commerce stores, and they have taken this opportunity and just running with it. So they face a lot of challenges in the beginning. They were founded in 2010, and they face a lot of challenges such as transportation. So they needed their own transportation to get the items shipped out to their customers, like Amazon. In their early stages, they used FedEx, UPS, USPS, all of that. But CPNG has started right with their own transportation. Now Amazon, as you guys know, have their own delivery service and such as that. But when they first started, it was huge for them to start with UPS or USPS. CPNG has already started with their own delivery service, and that is going to create a big advantage for them in terms of competitors. So competitors are going to have a tough time getting into this inventory, into this space and this industry, just because of the challenges faced already. CPNG, they already faced these challenges and conquered these challenges. So I'm very excited about that for the company in the long term. So if you guys go over to their website, which I will leave a link down in the description below, you guys can see it's pretty much very similar to Amazon's website, which I do like the simplicity of it. They do have different products and services that they support on their website. You can buy anything from clothing to houseware items to electronics. Everything that Amazon pretty much has to offer, CPNG is offering as well. They also have a service such as DoorDash or Uber Eats type service where they get food directly. And one thing that I do like, which I don't think is incorporated in Amazon yet, they have frictionless returns. So this is a return, pretty much you say you want to return the package. You don't need to go out and mail it yourself. You leave it right outside your door after you tell them, and then they will have one of their delivery drivers come pick it up, and the return is simple as that. I think that is a great feature, and it really helps people trust them as a company and trust them to buy more products from them. So, hopping into their revenue. So, like I said, this company was founded in 2010. 2018 to 2019, there was a 55% increase in revenue. And from 2019 to 2020, there was a 90% increase in revenue. Now, a lot of this was because of probably the coronavirus pandemic. So we should not be expecting the same amount of increase in revenue for 2021, which I do think will set investors back a little bit, just because they won't have the same extreme growth that they've had these past 2 years. I do see maybe around another 50% or so revenue increase from 2020. If they get that 50%, I think that will be very good for them as a company. But we can expect to see maybe somewhere in between the 30 and 50% range from 2020. I do not think we will see another 90% in 2021 in terms of a revenue increase. So, like I said, this company is trading right around $45 or so at a $77 billion market cap. I am not starting a long position yet, but I am keeping my eye on this stock. That is because I really think a good value on this play would be upper 30s. Even if we get in mid 30s, around 35, I will be eating the stock up if it does drop to that. If we get in around $38 a share or so, I think that will be a good starting point for me to open up a position in this play in my long-term portfolio. I do not see this as a short-term play. I like the long-term play in this portfolio, and I will be adding it to this portfolio if we can get it around the $38 range. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys think about Coupang and if you guys plan on investing in them or if you guys are holding off for now. But with that being said, let's head over to our top 3 plays that we are currently focusing on. And the first one is SOS. You guys know I'm very bullish on this one. Had a decent day on Friday, and we are currently focusing on Bitcoin, seeing how Bitcoin moves. I am expecting this company to be around $20 or so sooner rather than later. They will be announcing in April that they received, hopefully that they will receive their third batch of 5,675 miners. So I'm very looking forward to that. I have a lot of money in this play, thinking I'll probably take some profits around, if it gets to $15 a share, I'll probably take my initial investment out. Then if it gets to $20 and $25 a share, I will be looking to take profits, and we will go from there pretty much. But I will keep you guys updated on that here. My next play is Tattoo Chef. Tattoo Chef is currently consolidating in the $21 or so range. I do not see any movement on this one in the short term, but I do see and believe in the company long term. I think we will see different partnerships come up and their marketing campaign will come to life. And I do think that we will be seeing a very large increase in their share price in the long term. I'm looking around, to take profits, probably around $60 a share or so, which may take a year, a couple of years, but I do think we will see that $60 share at some point, and that is when I will be taking profits. Lastly, I don't know if I mentioned this, but I am invested in Tilray as well. Tilray is a cannabis company, and I am very bullish on them. I did a stock analysis on them. If you guys want to go check that out. I am really loading up on Tilray now. My average cost is around $22 a share or so, but now that it's kind of dropped back down. It hit $30 last week, and then it's kind of dropping down to the more $25 range. I will be loading up some more shares in the $24 to $25 range for the next move upwards. I will consider selling some of my profits and some of my shares at $50 a share, and I do think it can hit up to $70 a share. It just did it a few weeks ago, and I think we can expect another move towards that direction sometime soon. They are the biggest play in cannabis in my opinion, and I will keep adding on the dips because I do expect to see them in a big share price rather quickly, sooner rather than later. And once it hits around 40, I'll probably take out my initial investment. Then $50 a share, I will be looking to take profits. I am expecting it to hit those levels. But with that being said, I want to thank you all for watching. If you guys want to see a stock update on something that I have not mentioned here, make sure you comment it down below. Also hit that subscribe button so you stay up to date on all of my videos. I really do appreciate that. Make sure you smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. It really helps out the channel and I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for spending a few minutes of your day with me, and I will see you in the next video. Peace!